Previously on Chippy's Ink Adventures.
Take the cover off, and wait a minute, there's no chips on these. That's because the seller forgot to glue them.
And now, your feature presentation, with chips this time probably. Asterisk.
Alright, we are at the printer, dusty as fuck, but it is a nice printer. It appears that pretty much everything is looking pretty bad, except black. So we should probably replace everything. How do we do that? Well, let me lift this up. Hey, it flashes which ones need to be replaced. Alright, so we'll take that one out. I need magenta. And they are there. Looking pretty nice. Yeah, it's looking pretty dried up. Alright, well let's, I guess, inject these cartridges. I guess. Actually, I completely forgot. So, apparently these rubber pads, we have to replace it with these ones. I'm not sure what the difference is, really. But that's probably what the tweezers are actually for. Alright, which way do they go in? Let me check the manual. What's this one there? Yeah, it's the same sort of thing going on. Alright, well, I'm going to check the manual, and bruh. Alright, from looking at the pictures, you can just barely see it, but it looks like they've got the hollow part on the outside. So, let's get these tweezers and void the warranty. Actually, looks like the hollow part was down. Okay, so I have now replaced the rubber caps with the one in the packaging, because they seem to be a tiny bit bigger, but they go, whatchamacallit. So for the main ring one, the shorter side of this goes bottom ways, and same with these, and the hollow bit goes face down. So let's go inject this ink. Let me just grab this. Looks like we're going to have a bit of a scientist experiment or something. Hey look, in the replacement cartridges there's more pads, although these ones are thinner. Well, not as thin as these ones. Alright, so let's start with magenta, because it looks the nicest. There we go. See, there's a chip right there. And remove the cap. I see. Stand that up. Let's see how we open this. Oh, I see. Aha. So what I might do is, instead of breaking the seal and getting ink everywhere, I think I might just poke it through. So, there we go. Magenta time. Sorry. There appears to be a problem here. Let's plug that up. Do I want to put this in my printer? I admit, not really. I just realized there's a second cap. Let's make sure it's not dripping anymore. Doesn't seem to be. Although I just realized maybe I gotta inject it before I actually remove this. It's red now. Be nice if I read the instructions, God forbid. Oh dear. Let's see what our printer says. Nothing. Oh, it recognized a thing. So there's an air plug I gotta pull off. Meaning I gotta take this back out. Alright. That's it. Yeah. We are going to do... Let's do pigment black. So I've labelled my syringes. Ooh, there we go. Let's get the pigment black. There we go, got it. So we'll suck some of that up. Ooh, that's quite black. Alrighty. Making a bubble. So, how do we solve this, ladies and gentlemen? Well, as I proceed to get ink all over my camera. What's here? Get tissue. Oh, didn't think about that one, did you, gamers? Maybe if I remove the air cover. Even though it says to do that after. And that's probably why. Oh wait, no, it's just okay now. So that's one done properly, I think. Alright, let's take that out. Quickly put that in the printer.
Ship these guides to ruining your warranty. Get the cartridge. Take off the cap thingy. Inject. Tilt it. Take the sponge cap off and put the refill cap back on. Take off orange clip and put in printer.
I think I'm getting the hang of it now. After that first monstrosity. So, we got everything in there. Everything's glowing red. So I guess we close the lid and see what happens. The following genuine ink tanks have been installed. Bruh. I don't know about you, but this is not... Why does this work through the glove? Yes. Look at that. Everything's full. There we go. Print nozzle check pad. This is gonna be interesting.
Two hours later.
Bruh.
24 hours later.
Oh. Oh. I hear it. Alright, let's see how bad it is. I didn't even think it would get this far. So we're getting no yellow, a little bit of black, magenta, what does it say? Which is closer to the printed patterns? Alright, well, I'm gonna go and paint.
I will now paint. I put the wrong color.
nothing. I'm going to have to have a look at this. So I'm actually holding this on an angle right now. Move all the ink on that side. Let's see what happens now. Richard, this is going to take an hour again. Hold up.
1 hour later.
Because it was bubbling a lot of air. Hey, the cyan's looking a bit better now. Although, still no yellow. Alright, so I'm going to double check on that pigment black one as well. Because nothing seems to be really coming out of it. There we go. Just going to pull out that yellow one again. A quick look under. It's soaked under there. Alright, so I've done a clean, or a head clean. Got the pigment black working. Black's still looking a little bit light. But, yeah, reading the manual, apparently we're supposed to fill that up all the way. So I'm gonna do that right now, I guess. It's pretty yellow. I got it. I just flooded the fuck out of the cartridge and now it's working. Ta-da! Well, this was the previous test pattern. We now know that yellow definitely, like, it absolutely works. This one. So, I'll show you what to do. So, we get one of those, preferably the one that looks black. They all kind of look black. I'm going to assume it's this one. So, clip that in there. Oh wait, hang on. Yoink. Put that in there. Plug that air hole up. Remove this one. I just realised I have my gloves off, but should be okay. You can actually fit a fair amount in there. So we go yoink. Oh, it's doing the thing. It's getting lower. Now this one should work now. That's if I haven't put too much in there, because when I did that to the yellow one, while it did fix it, it did spill a lot of ink everywhere. So let's be careful, especially since I've got my gloves off now. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's not leaking. Okay, we put it in very quick. Epic. Time for another test print. Oh boy. Here we go. Light's already dying. I just swapped the batteries out. Black looks exactly the same, but I noticed the C's aren't really blue anymore like it was in this one. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Well, I reckon that's looking pretty good. That's pretty epic. Well, I'm gonna say that's pretty good. Pretty good. Well, that's this boring ass video. I got ink everywhere. And surprisingly, I've probably voided to the warranty on my printer and I nearly destroyed it, but it worked in the end. So now it should be just easy to I could probably just inject it while it's in there, unless that I have to remove those cover things. But let's not think about that. I'll have to test it on a CD in a bit and see what that looks like, I guess. Today I will print the CD. Okay. Put that in the slot. Alright. Let's see. I've just burnt the CD, so I hope I don't have to burn another one if it goes everywhere. But so far it's been printing the paper alright. so far it looks alright. Well, look at that. I reckon that looks pretty good. There we go. The cheap ink is a success, as long as you fiddle around for a bit. Now that's pretty epic.